welcome back to Goochie's Cocktail Show. Today I'm making Jello shots. Why? Well, my friend's invited me over to her place for dinner tomorrow night, and rather than bringing a salad, which is oh so boring, I kindly offered to bring dessert in the form of Jello shots. My friend turned around and said, hell yes Goochie, you bring those bad boys. It's time to celebrate the easing of social restrictions across Victoria. So to make these bad boys, you need 3 ingredients. You need jelly crystals, you need boiling hot water, and you also need a spirit of some sort. I'm using gin today, but most people use vodka, but I thought, hell, why not? Let's give it a crack. Strawberry and gin, I reckon that'd be a good flavour combination. So here goes nothing. First thing I need to do is I need to add my jelly crystals to my jug. I like to use a jug when making jelly, especially Jello shots, because it's easier to pour it into my shot glasses. So I need 250 mils of boiling hot water. And you need to stir that until it's entirely dissolved. Not ready yet. Done. Next, we're going to add 250 mils of gin. Woo. It's now time to start pouring the jelly into the shot glasses. I've popped the shot glasses onto a tray because it allows me to maneuver them into the fridge and out of the fridge quite easily. The shot glasses I picked up from Kmart for approximately $3 for a pack of 30. I'm now going to put these Jello shots into the fridge. Hot tip, make your Jello shots the day before. You don't want to be waiting until the last minute, otherwise you're going to be serving slimy, goopy sludge, and nobody wants to drink that, not even an alcoholic. So make sure that you make it the day before, okay? It's a nice firm consistency, no slimy sludgy stuff. All right guys, that brings me to the end of the show today. If you want to see more cocktail recipes, although Jello shots really isn't a cocktail recipe, but if you want to see more cocktail recipes, make sure you give me a thumbs up and you subscribe to my channel. Alright guys, you have a wonderful weekend and I'll see you soon. Bye!